Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and I'm excited to remind you about this year's Pink Slips tournament, also known as the Super Bowl of Diecast. This is the second annual event, which was the brainchild of Jay at Jay's Diecast Creations. All contestants send in a customized car which has to pass tech inspection. Brackets are formed, and two cars face off with a roll of the dice to see who advances and how far. The winner gets the pink slip of the car he beat and advances up the ladder. Last year I was relegated to watching and cheering from Europe, as only domestic entries from the US were allowed. This year it's opened up to international contestants, and I'm sending in my entry from Switzerland. It's simply the last car I customized and posted on my channel, a 1998 Monte Carlo NASCAR. It was a buddy build with Gary Shorter, who was last year's Pink Slips tournament winner, in a NASCAR, if I remember correctly. I've got a good feeling about number 8 here. Let's see if Dale Jr. can run this down a straight line. By the way, I've told the admin guys anything I might win can stay in the system as a carrier car. That is, I don't want anything mailed back to me in Switzerland. All my winnings, if any, will be redistributed, however that gets done. I've already asked Jay and Paco from Paco's Diecast Garage, who was co-hosting this year's event, if I could submit a few consolation prizes, and they have agreed. I'd like this little package to go to the very first contestant knocked out of the tournament, the loser of race number 1. That's gotta hurt. So I want to soften the blow with these items. Got some Samed wheels and monoblock wheels, some 3D printed engines, Gaslands weapons, some sport exhaust and an air compressor, racing seats, several steering wheels in various designs, NOS bottles, looks like about a dozen of those. Skulls to go on a Gaslands car. Brand new set of jeweler's saw blades. There's 12 of them. Number 3. Super fine. And here's a still in the wrap filing pad with different grits on it. Consolation prize number 2 is the second last car I customized and posted on my channel. Everything else has already been given away. I saved these 2 cars for the Pink Slips tournament. This one's a 63 split rear window Corvette Stingray. I'd like the runner-up of my bracket to get this for making it that far. Consolation prize number 3 is a Matchbox Ferrari F40 that I found in a box with 2 other cars under my bench. I thought it was long gone. Better to put it into circulation than collect dust at my place. And consolation prize number 4 is another classic Corvette. This one's a 57 Roadster that I did when my channel was still called MapleLeaf Matchbox Makeovers. It was just rediscovered in that same box during that archaeological dig that I just did. Jay and Paco can decide who gets these last 2. I'm not sure how many brackets there are going to be. I've stated my wishes for the first couple of prizes. The recipients of these last 2 will be surprises to all of us. Paco, I'm sending you my entrance fee plus some more, as I've created some extra shipping headaches for you via PayPal. I'll also give you a Swiss Post tracking number as requested. See you in North Carolina on Super Bowl weekend in February. I'm bringing the heat. Let the trash talk begin, and let's have some fun. It's coffee time.